After 5 long months of preparation, the day finally arrived. Okinawa Car Fest 2025. The day started off with a little bit of rain. That did not stop over 130 cars, food trucks, sponsors, and participants to come to our event. Not only was there great food trucks, amazing cars, but we also had a drift demonstration provided by IS Pro Auto. As usual, the loudest exhaust competition drew the biggest crowd, and boy, it was a battle. As our decibel meter broke, it was down to 3 cars, but there can only be one. Despite the rain in the morning and also in the afternoon, it was a great turnout and our best event yet. We would like to thank RJ Socials, Sappy Racing, Kadekawa Surface, Okinawa Autospa, Stay Drifting, R102 Productions, GNT, Street Style Shop, and many more. We could not have done this event without you. We would like to thank everyone that came out despite the rain to support this event. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.